In today's video, we're doing a deep dive into Yesware and asking whether it's truly the best email productivity tool for sales teams. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever felt stuck juggling follow-ups, templates, read receipts, and manual tracking, this tool promises to take that off your plate. Does Yesware live up to the hype, or is it just another plugin with bright promises? By the end of this video, you'll know what it does, how it works, and whether or not it should be part of your sales stack. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Yesware? It's essentially an email productivity extension and platform designed for sales teams. It lives inside your inbox, Gmail, or Outlook and adds features that help you track, automate, and optimize your email outreach. Instead of switching to a separate sales tool, Yesware brings the power into your everyday email. It also gives you visibility into who's opening your messages and lets you automate follow-ups and enables you to use templates and even gives you analytics to improve your outreach over time. So in short, Yesware turns your email into a smarter sales machine rather than just a communication tool. Okay, now let's get into the key features. So as I walk through this, if you want to follow along, you actually can get access to the free plan by using our exclusive link down in the description below. Once you click that, you'll just type in your email address that you want it connected to, and then you'll start the free trial. They walk you through step by step and will show you how to download the Chrome extension. So the first feature I want to talk about is email tracking and open notifications. One of their foundational features is the email tracking. So when you send a message, Yesware can tell you when it's opened, how many times, and whether links inside it were actually clicked. So you'll see real-time notifications in your inbox or in the Yesware sidebar. This feature is critical because without tracking, you're basically flying blind. You won't know whether your email has been seen or ignored. With Yesware, when someone opens but doesn't reply, that signals a follow-up. Next is templates and snippets. So Yesware lets you create email templates or snippets for messages you send frequently, like introductions, follow-ups, or demos. You can save any email as a template, insert personalization, tags like the recipient's name, company, or deal stage, and use it later with one click. Next is automated follow-ups and sequences. Yesware's sequences feature allows you to schedule follow-up emails that automatically send if no reply arrives within a set time. You can build a sequence of messages spaced over days or weeks with conditional logic. If a reply comes in, it'll stop the sequence. Next is link and attachment tracking. So Yesware also extends tracking to links and attachments. So when you send a document, PDF, or presentation with your email, you can see if the recipient clicked or downloaded it. That's a really powerful signal. It tells you not only that they opened your message, but that they engaged with your material. Next is analytics and reporting. So Yesware actually gives you dashboards that show email performance metrics, open rates, reply rates, sequence effectiveness, templates performance, and team comparisons. For a sales manager, this is gold. You can see which reps are sending, which messages perform best, and where you're losing prospects. You also can dig into data over time with weekly trends, month-over-month improvement, and then team benchmarks. Next is the calendar and meeting scheduling. So Yesware actually includes a scheduling feature so that you can embed your calendar inside emails or links. Recipients can book calls based on your availability, and Yesware handles the booking automation. So now, once you have actually downloaded the Chrome extension and gotten signed up, this is what it looks like up here. What you'll see here is your recent activity, the not opened, the opened and not replied, and then scheduled. Then we've got the prospector. So this is actually where you can go ahead and add people's names, job title, and have all of their contact info in here. Then within here, this is where all your contacts will live. So if we wanted to create a contact, we'll use my dog. Okay, you can add any notes. You also can create tags, and then we can create. Now, as you can see, you have a whole kind of database of what they have done. You've got notes here, you've got a timeline. So it just shows everything in detail. Then we've got templates over here. So this is where you can create new templates. It could be a follow-up email or a booking email. So you can just name the template, add the subject, and then go ahead and add the body. And you can even insert a booking link, which is so powerful. You can also insert an attachment or merge field. Then you can also have different folders just to keep it organized. Then we've got campaigns. This is where you can send out campaigns. So here is an example, and this is where you can see the actual touch points. So touch number 1, reply rate, open rate, you can see all of this detail. You can see what the actual subject and email body is and see how it's integrated with their first name, their pain point statistic. Okay, so there's so much that you can do, and you can mass send things, but also have it customized completely. Then this is where all your recipients will live. So again, if someone replies, it will automatically stop the activity or will keep following up. Then you've got teams. You can actually create teams to just enhance everything and keep everyone on the same page. We've got reports here. So we've got the whole dashboard. We've got email activity, personal tracking, recipient engagement, and so much more. And then this is the meeting scheduler where you can go ahead and customize it completely. You can create meeting types, what your meeting invitation will say, and then that will automatically be copied when you need to book a time to work with someone or to book a call with someone. The beauty of having the Chrome extension is everything lives right here. You don't have to go to another website or download another app. All you need to do is go ahead and click whatever it is that you need, and it will be brought up, which is so powerful. Now that you understand the key features and how to actually use Yesware, let's talk about the pros and cons to see if it's actually a good fit for you and your company. So there are so many strengths when it comes to Yesware, as well as a few limitations to keep in mind. On the positive side, Yesware integrates directly into your inbox, which just reduces context switching. You don't have to hop into a separate sales app. Email tracking and open notifications are very reliable and fast, which just gives you real-time insight into engagement. Templates and sequences are super powerful for scaling, outreach, and keeping consistency across your sales team. The conditional logic in sequences just ensures you don't spam people who've already replied, like that auto stop feature that we talked about. Link and attachment tracking just gives you richer signals beyond just opens. Also, the analytics dashboard help managers identify high performers and messaging trends, and the included calendar tool just streamlines meeting scheduling without needing a separate app. Now, on the downside, Yesware's feature set is more lightweight compared to full CRM platforms. You'll still want a CRM for deal management and pipeline tracking. The sequences and templates are strong, but not as flexible or deep as specialized sequence tools. Because Yesware leans on your email provider's infrastructure, deliverability still depends on your domain and sending behavior. Also, some advanced analytics or team level features may feel limited for large enterprise teams. Support and onboarding can vary depending on your subscription, so new users might face a learning period. But overall, Yesware is a strong productivity tool, especially for sales teams that live in email. It just fills the gap and supplements your CRM without trying to replace everything. Now, let's take a look at the different plans and pricing options. So, like I said, they do have a free version that you can use, but if you're using this a ton, you're definitely going to want to upgrade. So, they've got the Pro, Premium, Enterprise, and Custom plan. With the Pro plan, it's $15 a month paid annually, where you can save 23%. Monthly is around $19. With this, you get unlimited email open tracking, unlimited email link tracking, unlimited attachment tracking, personal activity report, 20 campaign recipients a month, email and phone support. Then we've got the Premium plan, which is $35 per seat per month, and that is paid annually. With this, you get everything in the Pro plan, but you get unlimited campaigns, unlimited teams, shared templates, team reporting, and so much more. Then they have the Enterprise plan, which is $65 per seat per month, again, paid annually. The monthly is $85 a seat per month. With this, you get everything in the Premium, but you get the Salesforce inbox sidebar. You get a ton of Salesforce integrations. You also get bi-directional activity sync and things like customized trainings and trusted IP ranges. Then they do have a custom plan, but you do have to contact them. You, of course, get everything in the Enterprise, but you get other things like security and legal review, some other Salesforce features as well. Choose a plan that best fits your needs, but again, you can kind of grow with it and even get started with the free plan. So who is Yesware best for and when to use it? Yesware is best suited for sales reps and small to medium teams who rely heavily on email outreach. If your process involves sending cold or warm emails, following up multiple times, and tracking engagement, Yesware definitely adds a huge value. If your team already uses a CRM for pipeline and deal tracking, Yesware just becomes a complementary tool, not a full replacement. It works best when your sales emails drive leads to an existing system rather than trying to do everything inside one tool. Sales teams and B2B SaaS agencies or any business doing outreach-based closing will get the most benefit. If your process is mostly in person or highly relational, you may find fewer use cases for email automation. Yesware is definitely a solid choice if your sales workflow is driven by email. As a personal note, I know how exhausting repetitive sales outreach can be. The back and forth reports, the unanswered messages, the uncertainty, but tools like Yesware just exist to make that process cleaner and more intuitive. Once you see which messages get opened, which need follow-ups, and where prospects drop off, you just begin to gain control. If you want to check out Yesware and get signed up with their free plan, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to breaking down SaaS tools in real, usable ways, from tutorials to honest reviews, so you can choose software that actually helps your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.